Another personality, a very inspiring personality mentioned in the Quran, is of Dhul Qarnayn, who is a king with mighty resources and wealth. There is not much else said about him except that he has mighty resources, huge resources and wealth at his disposal, and that he undertakes these campaigns. In Surah Kahf, ayat number 86, in fact 84, 85 and 86, these three ayat I'm going to quote, Allah Ta'ala talks about him. Inna makkanna lahu fil ardi wa ataynahu min kulli shay'in sababa. Behold, we established him. Allah is talking about Dhul Qarnayn, that we established him securely on earth and endowed him, gifted him with the knowledge of the right means to achieve anything that he might set out to achieve. فَأَتْبَعَ سَبَبًا. And so he chose the right means in whatever he did. حتى إذا بلغ مغرب الشمس وجدها تغرب في عين حمية ووجد عندها قوما قلنا يا ذا القرنين إما أن تؤذب وإما أن تتخذ فيهم حسنا. Until when he reached the setting of the sun, he found it as if setting in a spring of dark mud. And he found near it a people. Allah said, O Dhul Qarnayn, either you punish them or else adopt among them a way of goodness. So here again we can see that he is being given the freedom of choice. Allah has blessed him with these huge resources and this kingdom and the wealth, and now Allah is telling him that either you mistreat those people or you treat them well. It is your choice. So this principle of freedom of choice is applied to every one of us in whatever capacity we are. We all have this freedom of choice, and we can choose either to benefit or we can choose either to cause corruption or to do evil with our abilities. So we can see clearly how Dhul Qarnayn used this freedom of choice for welfare projects, huge welfare projects. He provided houses to so many homeless people and also built a fortified wall to protect a certain group from being persecuted, and accepted nothing from those people in return. They offered to pay him tax, and he accepted nothing from those people in return. So all of this was done just to benefit those people, and it was all done for to please Allah Ta'ala. And in the end, we also notice that he doesn't accept any credit or praise for his work. He attributes it all to the power of God. He says it's all the bounty, the fazl of God.